how to level up so fast they think you're Illuminati. Look, I'm not talking about some secret society conspiracy theory bullshit. I'm talking about transforming your life so fast that people around you can't even comprehend how the fuck you did it. Don't think you got lucky or you had connections or some other lame excuse, because they can't accept that you just outworked and outsmarted everyone while they were scrolling on TikTok. By the end of this video, you're going to understand the exact 3-step process I've personally used to level up faster than 99% of people. And if it's the first time we meet, my name is Fred, and I've made thousands of dollars a day in profit with my online business, selling digital products, only working a few hours a day while traveling the world. And for context, I come from the low middle class. Step 1 is identifying exactly what you want. And I mean exactly. Most people think they know what they want, but it's vague as hell. They say, I want to make more money, or I want to lose weight, or I want to be successful. But that is not specific enough. Your brain can't lock onto a vague target. It needs precision. Instead of, I want more money, you can say, I want to make $10,000 a month in profit. Instead of, I want to lose weight, say, I want to lose 50 pounds. Instead of, I want to be successful, first, define what success actually means to you. Is it financial freedom? Is it time freedom? Is it building a business that impacts people's lives or makes you rich? Be specific, because clarity always creates direction. And without a clear direction, you're not going to do anything. Without a clear target, you're just wandering around hoping you stumble into success somehow. But when you have a precise goal, your brain starts filtering for opportunities and information that won't get you closer to that target. It's like setting a GPS. You can't get to a destination if you don't know where the hell you're going. So here's what I want you to do. Write down exactly what you want in each key area of life. I'm talking about health, wealth, relationships, mindset. Don't hold yourself back. Don't limit yourself based on what you think is possible right now. Just write down what you actually want. You don't need a strict timeline at first, just a precision on the what, because the timeline will become clear as you start taking action. For example, a few years ago, I wrote down that I wanted to build an online business that would make me at least a few $1,000s a month, so I wouldn't be forced to go work a shitty job I hate. That was my number one goal. The most important thing to me, it's always been my freedom and my peace of mind, and I'm blessed to say I've achieved it in my early 20s. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. Here's where most people fuck up. They set the goal and then they try to force themselves to do a bunch of things they hate to get there. They try to white knuckle their way through, and that's why they quit only after 2 weeks. But luckily for us, there's a much better way, which leads me to step 2, building the identity of the person who already has what you want. Stop trying to do things to get results. Instead, start by being the type of person who already has them. The formula is be, do, have, not do, have, be. Most people get this backwards. For example, don't just go to the gym to lose weight. Instead, be the kind of person who loves fitness and health. Like working out has to become a part of your identity. It's who you are. For example, if I don't work out or if I don't eat vegetables, I feel horrible. Like genuinely, I want to jump out a window. Because now it's such a part of my identity, of who I am, that if I don't do these things, I feel horrible, like it's not me. But to be honest, the first time I tried to get myself to exercise on a daily basis, it was pretty painful. It felt really, really weird. I was quickly out of breath, I had zero stamina, and I'd be sore for entire days after my workout. But because in my mind, I could clearly picture the type of physique I wanted at the time, I kept showing up day in, day out, regardless of how I felt, because my goals mattered more to me than my feelings in the moment. Nowadays, if I can't exercise for whatever reason, it genuinely makes me feel depressed. Can you see that shift? So whereas I used to dread working out, now it's my drug and I need it to function. That's the power of what we call identity shifting. Meaning, you first become the version of you who's got the things you want, instead of just blindly trying to change your actions only. Don't just work on your business to make money. Be the kind of person who's a successful entrepreneur. See the difference? When you operate from identity, the actions become natural instead of forced, and you get way better results because it's part of who you are. Your current factory settings, so to speak, your habits and your self-image are keeping you where you are right now. So if you want different results, you need to upgrade the operating system as though you were a phone or a computer. And you do that by acting like the future version of yourself, starting today. Sometimes people take this the wrong way and they say, oh, so if my goal is to become a millionaire, then you're telling me to go spend money on the expensive stuff I want, right? Well, no, that's not what I'm telling you at all. What I'm saying is, you have to start thinking and also behaving like the millionaire version of you would. For example, they'd probably invest in their education outside of school, take more risks, invest in the stock market or real estate, even start an online business, etc. Whereas the broke version of you or the employee version of you wouldn't do any of these things. Every time you act like the future version of you, you earn a +1 identity point. Over time, those points compound until it becomes who you are. It's no longer something you're trying to be or pretending to be. It just is who you are effortlessly, naturally. Think about it like this. What would a $10,000 a month version of me do today? Would they sleep in or wake up early and get to work? Would they scroll social media for 2 hours or create content for 2 hours? Would they avoid that difficult conversation or handle it head on? Observe people who are already living the kind of life you want. I'm not telling you to copy them exactly, but to borrow their habits, systems, and mindset if you can. How do they think? How do they spend their time? What do they prioritize? When I was a kid, that's exactly what I did. I come from a low middle class family. My dad was a nurse and my mother a nursing assistant. So it's pretty safe to say I didn't have the upbringing of a rich, spoiled kid. And sometimes we'd be in the car and I'd happen to see a Lamborghini or a Ferrari, a sports car. And I knew those things were very, very expensive, like way more expensive than my parents' house. And I looked at that car and I thought, how can they afford it? Like, what do they do for a living? But also, how do they think? Because surely their mindset must be very different compared to everyone else. And I wanted to know everything about these people. If you start to model yourself after successful people, you are way more likely to become successful yourself. It's like the saying, we are the average of the 5 people we spend the most time with. If right now you started hanging out with 5 multi-millionaires, you'd start thinking differently, acting differently, and you would become the 6th millionaire. Step 3 is maintaining unshakable self-belief. This is the foundation of everything. Without the belief, you will quit at the first obstacle. But with the belief, you will find a way through any obstacle. Here's something most people don't understand. You can't control your first thought, but you can control your second. What I mean by this is when doubt hits, and believe me, it will hit you, you immediately counter it with a better thought. For example, I can't do this becomes that's not me anymore. I'm the person who figures things out. If I don't know how to do it, I'm gonna figure it out, and I'll do it. You're essentially gaslighting yourself into confidence, but in a positive way. One of the best things you can do to reach your goals is to build evidence through small wins. Every time you do what you said you were gonna do, you reinforce your self-belief and you become more confident. Every time you push through when it's hard, you prove to yourself you're capable of so much more. You can even keep a point system in your head. Each aligned action equals +1 self-belief, and you stack those wins daily, and before you realize it, you'll have achieved massive things. You'll be worth millions of dollars, you'll be in great shape, you'll have the love of your life next to you, your life will be fucking awesome. And then people will call you lucky, of course. It really is true when people say that success mainly comes down to mindset. And here's the mindset shift that changed everything for me. I understood that life is a game. The obstacles make it worth playing. When you hit a setback, you miss a workout, you eat the pizza, you skip a task, whatever, you reset, you don't quit. You don't throw away the entire game because you made one bad move. You just make the next move better. That's it. Self-belief is the foundation of consistency and resiliency. It's what keeps you going when results aren't showing up yet. It's what makes you take action, even and especially when you're scared. It's what separates the people who level up from the people who stay stuck and never achieve anything. The people who work shitty jobs for the rest of their lives, eating some cheap, shitty microwave food because they don't even have the time to cook nice, healthy food for themselves. How sad is that? It's the people who never go on vacation because they can't fucking afford it. So they spend their whole lives working the same shitty job, earning the same shitty amount of money, paying a shit ton of taxes, and one day they die. What a life. You can't tell me that's what you want for yourself, come on. And look, I would have never been able to make thousands of dollars per day with my online business if I hadn't made the decision to change and to overcome my fears one by one a few years ago. I would have just stayed the shy, anxious kid I was, who couldn't even go outside for a walk because of how much traumatic shit he had to go through as a kid. Let me give you some examples of unshakable belief in action, just so you can see how it works for other people too. Cristiano Ronaldo acts like the best player in the world, so he trains like it, eats like it, recovers like it. That's not arrogance, that's his identity. He became the best because he believed he was the best before anyone else did. The same is true for Muhammad Ali. Kanye believed he was a rapper before the world did. Everyone told him he was just a producer. He should just stay in his lane. But he believed in himself more than he believed in their limitations. And look what happened. There's literally thousands of stories like that in the world. Thousands of people who didn't listen to other people's bullshit and followed their internal truth. And those people became very successful. So what does that tell you? Every successful person builds up belief before results show up. That's the key. You don't wait for success to believe in yourself, because it doesn't happen. You believe in yourself, and that creates the success you're looking for through your actions. It's backwards from how most people think. Most people wait to be motivated. Most people wait to be given $1 million, and then they'll feel confident. In reality, they wouldn't, because they knew they wouldn't be worthy of it. Look, leveling up fast isn't about secrets or hacks or shortcuts. It's about 3 things. 1. Identify exactly what you want with precision. 2. Become the person who already has it through identity-based actions. And 3. Protect your self-belief at all costs by controlling your thoughts and stacking wins. Do this, and you will level up so fast, people will genuinely think you're Illuminati. They'll ask you what happened and how you changed so quickly. And the truth is, you just applied these 3 simple principles while they kept making excuses. You got specific while they stayed vague. You changed your identity while they kept trying to force taking action. And you maintained belief while they quit at the first obstacle. That is what separates successful people from everyday unsuccessful people. The gap between you and the life you want isn't as big as you think, I can promise you that. It's just a matter of consistently applying these principles every single day. I'll be honest, some days will be easier than others. Some days you'll feel unstoppable. You'll feel on fire, while other days you'll want to quit. But if you keep showing up as the person who already has what you want, eventually reality catches up to your identity. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast.